Today we are performing Honeywell ST800 pressure transmitter troubleshooting and calibration. Open the back cover, terminal block cover, hard terminal positive, negative and test lead area. Vent port, process line, isolation valve, vent valve. Honeywell ST800 calibration purpose minimum required master equipments. Reference multimeter, reference pressure gauge, 24 volt power supply, immersion field communicator, Honeywell MCT404 communicator, next field communicator 475. Next we are connecting the power supply in the transmitter. This is a positive line, this is a negative line. Now transmitter is power on. Display showing the uploading parameters, loading the data parameters. Now upside display showing gauge pressure, center display showing the actual pressure. This is a unit and module condition is good. That D is a enabled condition of low power. Next we are connected to the communicator test lead, positive and negative. Next we are power on the MCT404 Honeywell communicator. This is a power on button. Now display is power on, OS is loading. Next we are selecting the menu for the FTC, field device configuration menu. First selection the online configuration, select it, select button. Okay. Yes. Now loading the parameters in the transmitter. This is the online menu. First we are selecting the online and select the tab, the online menu and select plus. Device setup, we are selected. Device setup inside the parameters, basic setup, calibration, process variable, device status, dynamic service, service histories, detail setup, meter body selections, display setup, upgrade option and review. First we are doing for the display setting. Okay, select the display setting menu. This is a display setup, select it, and the screen configuration, select it, select screen configuration and the configuration menu, select and execute. Okay, then press OK. We are selecting the screen 1, select it. Okay, first screen format is PV value. Here check the PV trend, large PV and long tag. We are selecting the PV only, select it. Next enter the pressure, PV value selection is pressure. Next we are scaling is we are normally using the linear for pressure transmitter. Next enter the lower value is 0, upper value. Transmitter calibration range 0 to 12 bar, upper value is 12. We are selecting this arrow and enter the 12 bar, 12, okay, 12, then OK, then OK. enter the engineering unit. Engineering unit we are using for the custom value. Then OK. Okay. Enter the custom unit. We are selecting this tab. Okay. B A R G, bar G, gauge pressure. Then OK. Enter the decimal point. Now transmitter is showing the three decimal point. Now we are changed it to 2 decimal point. Second one. Second. Okay, 2 decimal point. Enter the custom tag. We will enter the custom tag. Stay custom tag enter. Then OK. Wait for the 30 seconds. Now decimal point already changed. Tag number also showing the display 26 P80 something. Display configuration is completed. Then press OK. Next we are doing the long tag and short tag and description enter scenario. First select the device setup plus and basic setup plus slide up. Okay, device information we are selected. Then OK. Device information showing bar is correct, tag number is wrong, long tag is not assigned, and a description also not assigned. First we are changing the tag number, then edit. Okay, we are select enter the tag number 25 something. Tag enter, then OK. Okay. Next we are selecting the long tag, edit. Here enter the long tag enter, then OK. Okay. Next we are enter the description. Select the description tab, edit. We are remove the old data, enter the actual data. Description already enter, then press OK. Okay. Next we are sending the data to transmitter. Select the send data and select all parameters. Okay. Then send. Okay, now successfully completed status, then return back. Next we are doing for the calibration. First we are performing the DA trim activities. Okay, we are selecting the calibration menu. Okay, enter the plus button. First factory calibration method, filter performance and correct the URV records and LRV records and zero trim records. We are selecting the calibration method, plus enter. Okay, select the method. Okay, apply the value, enter the value, DA trim, zero trim, URV correction, LRV correction and the reset correction. Okay, first we are doing the DA trim. Select the DA trim and execute. Okay, enter the loop current, remove it to the automatic mode. Then OK. Connect to the reference meter. Reference meter already connected. Then press OK. Okay, set the field value output in the 4 milliamps. Then OK. Okay, enter the meter value. Meter value now showing for the 4.001. We are entering the same value. Select it. 4.001. Then press OK and enter. Then press OK. Okay. Field value 4 milliamps is equal to the reference meter. Now reference meter also showing the 4 milliamps. Then press yes and then press OK. Okay, next setting the field value in the 20 milliamps. Then press OK. Now reference meter showing 20.001. Okay, we are select the tab key. 20. Now reference meter showing the 20. We are selecting the 20. 3 decimal. Then press OK. Okay. Then press OK. Now field value output to 20 milliamps equal to the reference meter. 20. This is OK. Then press OK. Return to the original output. We can see the reference meter. Then press OK. DA trim calibration is completed. Next we are doing the pressure calibration. First select the device setup and select the calibration menu and the calibration method. Select it. Okay. First we are doing the URV correction and select it and execute. Then press OK. We are selecting the date also. Date, time. First enter the year. Okay, year selected, date selected, and then OK. And time now is 8 o'clock. 8. Then OK. Minute is 1. Apply the LRV. Now process line and event line is open condition. Okay. Press OK when apply the suitable. Now is open condition, then OK. Now showing the error mode in the writing protection mode. Next we are removing the writing protection mode in the transmitter. Open the front cover of transmitter. Remove the display. Downside is security mode, upside is simulation mode. We are removing the security mode with the off condition. Okay, here insert the jumper, insert the display. Then press OK. Return to automatic mode. One more time we are selecting the calibration menu, detail setup and the calibration plus and the calibration method and select the LRV correction, execute, then OK. Enter the date. Okay, then press OK, then OK. Then OK. 6, then OK, then OK. Apply the pressure LRV. 0 is OK. Okay, now system showing some error. We cannot access it to the trim menu in the transmitter. If you get this type of error message, there is another scenario is there. We will do the manual calibration in the transmitter. Open the upside screw, loose it. Okay. 3 enter button is there. One is enter, another one is up arrow and down arrow. First we are the enter button. Display showing the menus. We are selecting the down arrow. Calibration menu. Next enter button. Okay. Now menu showing return menu and the set trim stamp and the 0 correction and the LRV correction. Going to the down. Next, URV correction. Calibration parameters. Low corruption parameters records high and a reset corruption and a DA trim menu and a loop test menu. Okay, next we are doing the load sensor trim. Select the down arrow, select the LRV, next enter. Okay, set the time stamp. Okay, we are selecting the downside and select it. Okay, down stamp is put it in no, then press OK. Okay, do the LRV correction is ready. Okay, we are selecting that menu, then enter. Okay, press enter to confirm. Okay, enter button. Wait for few minutes. Okay, now LRV correction is completed. Next, go to the back menu, enter. Okay, return menu, select it, enter. Okay, now lower sensor trim is completed. Next, we are performing the upper sensor trim. Next, we are connecting the pressure source line in the vent line. First, close the process line isolation valve. Next, open the vent line. We are connecting the pressure source in the open area, vent line area. Okay, vent is open now. Next, power on the reference meter. Set to the 0. Cross the vent line. Open the pressure station slowly. Now pressure is increased. Now showing pressure. Once you reach the 12 bar, now pressure almost reached the 12 bar. Now output is showing 20.002 bar. The display showing 12 bar. Next we are doing for the upper sensor trim. First enter the button. Okay, the menu is showing the display. Next select the down arrow and the calibration menu, select it, enter, and the down arrow. Okay, upper sensor trim, select it and select the down time and the date stamp, enter, and press no, enter. Okay, do the URV correction, down arrow and enter. Okay, okay, now 12 bar is reached, stable, then press OK and confirm is OK. Now upper sensor trim is completed, now successfully completed. Then okay, return it to the normal menu, return, select it, enter, back, down arrow, return, then enter, exit, enter. Okay, now transmitter display showing 12 bar. Reference meter is showing also 12 bar, 19.999 milliamps. Now ST800 heart interface transmitter manual calibration procedure is completed.